Hey there, everyone. So basically, I just want to encourage you during this time before school starts to start looking at items in your home that you can start saving. A lot of these things are going to be really handy for when we do hands-on projects. If you have a preschooler, a kindergartner, a first grader, those younger kids who are going to need more hands-on things, this is going to be great for them. So an empty egg container. This is going to be really good for using for counting or sorting or even fine motor activities. So save egg cartons. My daughter loves to drink these Starbucks iced coffees, and these caps are going to be really cool. If you can get a bunch of them, they could be for, putting, kids need practice of twisting, putting things on and off, so you could save the whole bottle with the cap or just the caps, because the caps can be used for painting, stacking, again, putting things in the cup for fine motor. Some of the trays that you'll get with fruit or even some takeout items are going to be great to save, to put things in so that they don't roll all over the table or all over the counter. Any kind of little containers. This one was from some feta cheese. This one is from some guacamole. So all of these little containers that have lids are going to be great. So just start looking at your things that you buy and saving them. This one is from Parmesan cheese, and this lid has some holes in the top. These are great for putting in activities, Q-tips, straws, anything like that. So just start saving. I saved a little bag, and I'm putting in my toilet paper rolls, my paper towel rolls, and so I'm just trying to keep them all in one spot until school starts back. So hope this gives you some ideas. Have a great day.